Expand a Linux MD RAID 10 array to use larger disks. From what I understand, this is possible, but I can't find a straight answer anywhere about how exactly to go about it, and I don't want to risk losing data experimenting with it myself, so I'm asking here. I have a home server with 5 disks running CentOS. One is an SSD holding the OS. The remaining 4 disks are 4 TB hard drives configured in RAID 10 with RAID. The file system in use is XFS. I'm considering trying to replace the 4 TB disks with 8 TB ones. What exactly needs to be done to make this replacement happen without having to reconfigure a fresh RAID and lose data?
Complete the following steps for each disk. Replace dev*1 with other disks as necessary. You must complete all of these steps for one disk before you can proceed to the next disk. Mark the disk as failed so that MD stops using it. mdadd manage dev md127 failed dev*1. Remove the disk from the array. mdadd manage dev md127 remove dev*1. Physically replace the disk. Partition the new disk using type 0xDA with one partition spanning the entire disk. Add the new disk to the array. mdadd manage dev md127 add dev*1. MD will rebuild the array once you add the replacement disk. Make sure the rebuild is complete before you proceed to the next disk. You can check the status of the array by running cat proc modstat. Once all of the disks have been replaced and the array rebuilt, expand the array to fill the maximum capacity of all of the disks with mdadd grow dev md127 size equals maximum. You can resize the file system from there to fill the expanded RAID. In your case, use the xfs_growths command. More information on how to grow an MD array is available on the Linux RAID wiki. As with any other disk manipulation task, you should take a backup before you begin.
You'd want to swap out each disk one by one firstly. To do this, you'd fail each disk and replace it with its new 8 TB replacement. In fact, if you have the spare ports, you can add the extra disks, then have datum replace in place instead of removing a disk from the RAID and having a higher risk of failure. This question details the best way I can find of doing it safely. Once you've done this, you'll want to simply expand the existing FS into the newly created space. It appears the command for this is xfs_growths, however I haven't got experience with XFS to explain how exactly you'd do this. As always, have backups ready, and RAID isn't a backup.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.